Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is September the 23rd, 2022. We are here to talk about Palantir and how Benzinga has supposedly spotted a whale buying options in Palantir. So I wanted to show you all this article, and then we're going to talk about the price in Palantir, because if the market is going to continue to go down, then I want to be one of the first ones to tell you that. If I still suspect that the market is going to lift and go higher, I'm going to show you that as well. So make sure you hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel, because I am creating predictive content without the confusion. All right, so look at this article real quick. Came out from Benzinga, right? Palantir Technology well trades spotted. Apparently they got some type of proprietary system that spots unusual option trades, right? And they created this article for that purpose, because someone with a lot of money, according to them, has taken a bullish stance on Palantir. Okay, cool. Now, take a look. The overall sentiment of these big bets was a split between 63% of those option trades were bullish and 36% of those option trades were bearish, which gives them a price target of around $6 to $10 down here. Okay, right here. $6 to $10 is where they're looking for Palantir to go based off those options that were bought in the market over the next 3 months is what they're looking at. So over the next 3 months, according to this article, Benzinga is looking for price to trade in between $6 and $10. Cool, we got it. Now, out of those 11 uncommon options, which is right here, 5 of them were for puts, meaning they're suspecting price is weak, price is going to go down, and the other 6 are calls, where people are suspecting that the market in Palantir is going to go up, which is kind of like an even split, which kind of can lend us to not seeing too much occur in the market in Palantir at all. It's like 50-50. Maybe the market may just continue to trade sideways, which is something that we have identified on my price chart. Now you guys can see I did a video in Palantir right here on September the 16th. September the 16th was the time that I last did my price prediction in Palantir. You guys can see that I'm playing the strength into the market. Now, so far it hasn't occurred. The market strength in Palantir hasn't shown itself up just yet. You guys can see that the market still is coming through and holding this area of support. Now, I will have to change this idea of looking for Palantir to go up if I see the market break $7.20. Now, in order for us to see what are the chances of that occurring, we need to break this down. So let me show you something. You guys can tell that the price in Palantir is getting rejected right here. Okay, that's a negative sign for my price prediction. I can see that. I am aware that since the market in Palantir over the last 5 trading days could not break price above $8, we have to be cautious a little bit more. We have to say, okay, something is not right. Palantir is not able to break above $8. We need to evaluate the situation, because the market attempted right here to break above $8 on the 21st of September. It tried, but you guys can see that the next trading day, the market ended down 4%. So something is not right. The buyers are not here. That's one confirmation that our price prediction may be wrong. The second confirmation would be definitely price breaking $7 to the downside. Now let's see. Let's look at Palantir on the 3-day chart, okay? Because you guys can see each of these 3-day price bars, the market in Palantir hasn't been moving. It's just been trading sideways. We have 8 hours and 50 minutes on this current 3-day price bar. You guys can see that the market's already down around $7.20. If the market in Palantir on this 3-day price bar closes at the low of the bar, yeah, we need to cut this play and play some more downside movement in Palantir for real, because that is definitely signifying sellers are dominating this stock. Let's look at the weekly chart. Okay, you guys can see right here, even over the last couple of weeks, that Palantir hasn't been able to break above the $8 level. So that's 4 weeks, right? 4 weeks of us looking for market to go up. 4 weeks of money being traded. 4 weeks of money being invested by the market. And here we are, 8 hours and 49 minutes left, and the market currently is closing on the low end of this current weekly price bar. That is all weakness. Like, I follow the chart. Even though Benzinga is telling us that some of the market is bullish in some of the uncommon option trades that they caught in their system, this chart is reflecting that out of the last 4 weeks, the market in Palantir only had one positive week. This was an opportunity for us to lead into the buyers continue to move the market up above 8. And since we saw it get rejected at $8, we need to play some weakness here. This is what I'm saying. Like, rather than us trying to hold on and keep the hope alive and let the market in Palantir continue to trend higher, this market is definitely showing us some weakness right now on a lot of time frames. Okay. So how do you think we should play this? Do you think the market in Palantir is going to continue to hold this area, or should we look for it to go down to 7 to possibly even this low that came in on May the 12th, 2022? Because what I'm doing right now, I'm looking into the smaller time frames to see the buyers are coming into the market in Palantir. We want to see the buyers are coming in, and they kind of came in right here towards the ending of trading day yesterday, but it wasn't that strong of a move though. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead. I'm going to keep this here, all right, just for today. But I want to tell you that looking at the market so far in Palantir, it does look weak. It does look like the price is going to go down. I just want to see how the market is going to conclude on the weekly chart. Okay, because I'm telling you now that if we close down here on this weekly price bar on the low of the bar, yeah, we're going to go lower. So I want to see how we're going to conclude today, because I want to see if the buyers are going to come in, because when I look at this on the smaller time frames, I'm seeing small hints that buyers are trying to keep the market from breaking below 720. And even while we're here at pre-market, the market's at $7.19. They're going to have to grab the market support real quick. Once the market opens in Palantir, they're going to have to come in and buy the market up right then. Okay. So yeah, let me leave it right there. Give me your thoughts though. How would you play this? Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.